In the previous video, we discussed the distance and displacement. Let us discuss some more examples of distance and displacement. Let us see. The question arises: an object is moving in a circle of radius r. Calculate the distance and displacement when it completes half cycle, when it completes full cycle. कोई ऑब्जेक्ट सर्कुलर पाथ में मूव कर रहा है तो वो आधे राउंड में, यानी कि अगर हम कहें ए से बी और पूरे राउंड में वापस ए तक, उसका डिस्टेंस और डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या होगा ये कैलकुलेट करना है। अगर किसी को ये पता है कि सरकमफ्रांस, पेरीमीटर या सरकमफ्रांस, यहाँ पर वर्ड क्या होगा, सरकमफ्रांस ऑफ सर्कल, सरकमफ्रांस ऑफ सर्कल का किसी को फॉर्मूला पता है, ही कैन इजीली कैलकुलेट। नाउ for the first question, the distance in the half cycle is equal to half cycle, this is the half of the circumference. The formula of circumference 2 pi r, half of circumference 2 in 2 से 2 cancel हो गया pi r. Now the displacement is initial position A, final B, make a straight line between A and B. We get the value, that is r plus r, because the radius is r, so r plus r is equal to 2r, which is also can say diameter AB. Now in the full round, similar. Full round, a person moves a complete distance circumference of circle, that is 2 pi r, and the displacement is initial is A and final is A, so the displacement is 0, because the straight line between an initial and final position, no distance is present, so the displacement is 0. Let us see some more example. The more example is that Ravi moves 3 meter north, then 4 meter east, finally 6 meter south. Calculate the distance and displacement. We can easily calculate. Make a path, directional path, east, west, north, south. The question is 3 meter north, 3 meter north, from origin 3 meter north, 4 meter towards east, then 6 meter south, 6 meter south. If this distance is 3, this will be 3. If this is 4, then this will be 4. Now the distance is, we can calculate total, 3 plus 4 plus 6 is equal to 13 meter, and the displacement is equal to, initial is O, final is C, it is OC. And we can calculate same by the Pythagoras, which have earlier discussed. Square of 4 plus square of 3, that is OC square is equal to OD square plus DC square. OC square is equal to OD square plus DC square. Similarly, putting the value and get the answer 5 meter. Do yourself. If any problem, then discuss with me. The similar question you have to do, that is, a woman is travel a distance of 1 meter towards north. Here 1 meter towards north, then 2 meter towards east, 2 meter towards east, finally 3 meter towards south, that is 3 meter towards south. This distance is 1 and this is also 1 meter. The remaining distance is 2. Here this distance AB is 2, then OC is 2. ऊपर भी 2 है, नीचे भी 2 हो गया। ये 2 का स्क्वायर प्लस 2 का स्क्वायर सोल्व करके आ गया 2√2, and do yourself. If any problem, then ask to me. Now the question arises, what is the difference between the distance and displacement? Let us discuss. The first point is definition only. The total path length covered from initial to final position is the distance traveled. The shortest path or straight line path between initial and final position is said to be displacement. Distance is scalar quantity because it have magnitude only. Magnitude only. Vector displacement is a vector quantity because it have magnitude. अभी नीचे भी एग्जाम्पल में हमने किया था, जैसे ये नीचे देखिए, रवि मूव्स 3 मीटर नॉर्थ. 3 मीटर इज मैग्नीट्यूड, नॉर्थ इज डायरेक्शन प्लस डायरेक्शन. So it is vector quantity. Distance can never be zero. Wherever you can move, even you can come back to the same position, initial and final position same, but the distance is not zero. It is a total value. You move from Delhi to Agra 100 km, then back from Agra to Delhi 100 km. The total distance is 200, but not zero. But it can be zero. Delhi to Agra 100 km, Agra to Delhi वापस 100. Initial and final position same, so displacement is 0 because between them there is no straight line. It can be more or equal to displacement, but never less. It can be less than or equal to distance. We have seen in the previous examples, 100 meter in straight line, A to B, distance 100, displacement 100. Return back 40 meter, distance 140, displacement is 60. So we can say it can be less than, but it can be more than. It is always positive. It can be 0 positive or negative. It can be 0 positive or negative. In the previous examples we have seen it can be 0. Delhi to Agra, Agra to Delhi 0. Positive only from A to B, Delhi to Agra only positive. Negative when the person returned back the same path and moves opposite direction more from the initial position, then it can be negative. We will see later more example.